Okay, so now what I'm getting ready to do, I'm getting ready to foam, using a foam cannon, which I highly recommend. Merry Christmas, happy birthday to yourself. Get you a pressure washer. Some people have them for their houses. So what I'm getting ready now to do is to start foam cannoner. Alright, so we're going to go over here to the other side now. Finish up the side here. Now the foam cannon does do a lot of work for you. Now we'll work on the rear end. Up and down.
Nice.
All right, we're going to move our equipment over here.